Right, we see more cover from Ghana and Sam TV so.
The message munya kukuduro for until say you be kind the last constituency. Say me ye presidential candidate. I will never accept defeat. I will never accept defeat until the electoral commissioner comes out to declare. I will not make case so. I will never accept defeat. Ekuna ye kono ehia bema a wo mu beta yachi enye se wo de ye boy ya na mu dimirika ni mo adwane na o makosi segu no enye sa na ye election in Africa to vote for a bold man ebiem last one me go transit obi ba wo say
yeah honorable Ken say one share your own political career no ebe end up in a very disastrous way. Me say you are too much of yourself. You believe yourself too much. Enti di wani kofu bi pie but baby I obekwa ko end no. I had a lot of respect for you. Paniama me tete no. I've watched 2 videos. First one I share and I didn't believe it, so I brushed it aside. But I watched another one from an MPP person, a very authentic and truthful person. Also, no one can down for NDC4. Omo friend. Catch on to my name by exposium. Na is Kasem. Into Yako Congress, no. You give out money. And an A+. Organizing for A+, I didn't know. A say MPP party. Or no organizing for so Mumbambe same out. Because of selfish greed. Mean say MPP party. I have never believed this. But almost they made to platform you so. And Agyapong nipa na they made to. So I thought it was pure MPP. Me quite know. Me say NDC for almost half of the people are NDCs. I was asking myself, say then a beba and MPP for ni NDC for be share platform. Cause 2 different ideologies altogether. We don't agree on anything. And our politics, no more for politics is so warning kwa. Into Lucy Gada, me do number po. Ama na security agencies na be pekonom and confirm mutime bu about it your bar so as if she's not a human being. And these are the people honorable Ken. Only omubebo. Share the beauty of your conference no. You nearly mad it. I have the video. Share chaos and anarchy. I don't know what is in your head and what you are looking for. But when it's not your time, say mfa bibi maun fisra. Oye den untimenche. Because a radin is seeing. And Dr. Bawumia is the one who is groomed and who is well, prepared. I am prepared for 2028. There is nothing you can do to get the seat from Dr. Bawumia. And to tell your people to relax. And that the dangerous thing you are doing by trying to bring in NDC elements to come and cause havoc in MPP, you will destroy yourself. You destroy your political career. Brian Agyapong said you're carrying on. He will be the best candidate and the next candidate after Dr. Bawumia. Seminya Ekranka Dr. Bawumia in his reason should take him as his vice. Because a conference, and so she said, Ukuchia Samira, no ne Samira Shia, AS Renault 2 nature, out in so Nimians and Jim Wonichim. But to the so be no nya dreampe, na Danny War. Omo Muba, your comment section, a bear no can no vote, not to 80% of them are NDC people. You are not a true patriot. And to be very careful, and sir, say, to be worse than Alan Chamantin.
Ebusia asemaba. Me say, honorable Kennedy Akompwe kwa Japan. The political career no. Ono nkasa ebe na tonsuo mu. Fairness mo ko gina the platform so ana oka. Campaign wa ko. We say if you were the presidential candidate of the MPP, you would not concede defeat until EC ever declare before you concede defeat. Whilst you know you've lost the election and there is tension in the country, and with a little mistake, hey, Boga, like you are telling us, say, you knowing that there is a conflict in the country, and that conflict, amanipa famu we say because of say this senior the client we be hwe han amasade na sia na That is the question we are also asking you. Obayan Shahain, ama saa de no asia ma ne pa afiri mu. Because we want to understand. We want to understand. Now let me explain everything. During the 2024 general elections, as at Sunday and Opano, and on the 8th, the results that we already had from almost 70 to 80% of the 276 constituencies shows that we've lost the election rate to over 1 million plus votes. There was no way we could overcome these results. And the tension that was mounting at that moment, bro, when your leader or general mind, I swear to God, what could have happened would have been worse. Now, the presidential candidate realized that what is happening is very bad and I need to come out and accept defeat so that the tension. And the person doing that, boy, my attention about him cry. Even though after that, look at what happened. So imagine the person did not accept defeat and was waiting for the EC to come and declare. Imagine what would have happened. And maybe by this time, a lot of people have lost their life, including the people now person to have a leader, including them. So what are you saying? What are you saying, bro? Let's be serious for once. I know you are not a presidential candidate, and I've been saying this several times, but I don't know the people that believes in you. But from what you are doing, it tells that you are not ready to lead the New Patriotic Party. And I think you should go and find somewhere and sit. Get some gobe, beans, and chop. Because that's the only thing you are good at, eating and making noise. Bragging about things that is not even important in the way that we are going. It's about ideas. It's not about how much money you have. Because someone is even richer than you. What did I say? I gonna say to you, I'm just so I promise.
All rich politicians are thieves. Read my lips.
Also a politician.
Yeah, so you can add me too. We are all thieves.
Honorable Agyapong has talked about if he's president, does he want to be president?
I don't.
Okay, at least you got the answer before you left. So you don't want to be president?
I don't.
There are wild rumors that you might be running for the MPP's flag bearers.
I have said that you don't need to be president to effect change in people's lives. So whatever I'm doing in my own small
But you need power. You need MP, you need minister, you need that. You can do it better if you're a minister.
I donated to 37, not
Yes,
because
I was going to talk about
I'm a member of parliament.
$100,000. But you are the chairman of the security.
Donate. What kind of nonsense going on in this country? And we'll be at you. I saw it me declare, say Nipa winning. They are the problem of this country. I have told you several times, say, Ghana, one more didn't talk about Ghana. You see what is happening?
Honorable Agyapong is seeing the video. I can say politician be including ono. Now, as a man Ghana, a person to corruption as no. The member will be on one side and one case for ever be on my anyone.
And there be more me because power lies on time. We say okay, some to as some day. A bed than it can do be a day. At that way, then am I? It's a son or Kayano, I bet than it can do be a day, am I? So, a son or Kayano, which means one guys were corrupt.
Yes, according to the statement.
Yes, according to his statement, he is corrupt. So, how
he's also part. He's
also
rich.
Yes. So, how can a rich politician like him become a president to lead Ghana? So, which means it's impossible for him to lead Ghana.
Okay. So that's a which the one. So no one can say politician be always be a conform. Now on also it was carried the natural to conform. Now conform so the only mean boo on my you press here to chronoasi woman.
Exactly. Now so can say politician be a conform.
So politician do is always can.
So this can be a conform. Your politician so always come there. O ma mu njin to so me ya conform.
But ono na sem no ye dey kan.
Ono na sem no ono ji tu mu se ono no ogina ho no. Anka said the conform.
Okay.
One, which means why pinpointing on one Kasaka or the Kasaka conform. So another politician or baby no or yes can no on Jin to Miss Wedding or conform. Which means Agyapong, a Dubon now to no. And then I count on Nakasa.
Okay, that was news. Andra, an MPP, any EC, Koya by Lotten. Now, Kennedy Agyapong Kwe Japan, the number 1, Dwayne Champion, the number 2, Dr. Baumia, the number 3, and Duchum, number 4, now, Japan, number 5.
Yes.
Now, who support one?
But they may support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
And to candidate, Nakoda number 3. Would you say a Rebwamo?
Rebboy Empire.
Rebwamo, can be so.
Rebboy be in politics, no. Oda, so Oda number 1, and then just obey the winning. But the number 3, no, before obey the Ubian number 3, no. I saw full be there, I shall home.
I saw for Bishan come say Obenya number 3.
Obenya number 3. There is a pastor or one of or some for real Philidimo.
Pia Kubiana said.
Where Kokakra.
They are on the video trending.
Yes or no? Okay. But she come Eka say, there are we. Oman Penny, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, better number 3. The create Bakoda number 3. But Obano Matre no swat, let's say MPP. A train say, when you go to the MPP, when you come to the MPP tradition, MPP political tradition, we have the Dankwa Dumbu and the Busia tradition. The Siano, Dankwa for Busia for a buyer, or my video media call. Dankwa for Sabidio media, Busiano, when you show one, a do Dumbo so, a do Dumbo so, and Uba in Christianity, so are you related to Christianity? So we are the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay. In the Trinity, and also a link to that. And a ban numerology muswa. The letter thread on Eden, each name be in numerology. You can numerology and when you go to Bible school. I didn't say a travel. It means me say, no matter now, me candidate to Koda or Koda was say, send a bear and a coupon station bed. So coming 31st January, I know say Inshallah, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is going to do the fab barrier for the MPP party, political party.
Okay, but Kennedy campaign, so Edenham say, candidate number 1 need San because you want yourself to be a friend with Roger. Yeah, Roger. Also, the other trouble and things say, send your list in the city, no. San, and also no share, and then I'll come found. Oh, and come share a BTBC, a business, the intimacy. Because I'm come share, some do manifest, some of them also don't manifest. So, me with my belief, no, and come share now. Also for no Roger, there be yourself daughter there no. Okay. And my candidate has firmly believed what in it. So it's up to on part no. Send the away the nabem some say no one more say I want to be there some candidate baby. Aha, nti no sa no mo sa na mo no. Oh, yeah, you mean she because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is destined to be a president. I quite remember in 2000 and I forgot the year. One power lights on the tank. There was this programmer, there was this show, political show, Agyapong. He asked a question, the host asked him a question. Say, do you have an ambition of becoming a president? He told the host, he said, I don't have any ambition of what. Yeah, I've never thought of that. Maybe a president, but you see, I know media, the May 7 mine. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is destined to be a president. Okay. And Inshallah will be what he will be a president. Okay. So we share Nipan on the charisma, Nipedia, say, Uhuna, Unse, and we be a day, a giant. Now, let's link to Alan Cash. Say, I need the fee. That's a hini number 2. I need knows will be answered in epic. And I'm more better with me 2 years. Alan, a do sono. Alibiano with me 2 Sanmana. He felt reluctant. Said the better to know, but Bawumia to also be in that Ebusiakuno. He saw to he said, no, or not. I said, and once you be a day before by then, Alan are relaxing on. I feel reluctant. Not Dr. Mahmoud that day a consultation. Okay. It's a new council and Dr. Mahmoud. Okay, so